Welcome to Forex Bunkers Master Candle Weekly Review. We'll start off with GJ. We had two trades and two master candles on GJ. Both were no trades, and the reason for this is the break did not happen on the first three break candles. But our first master candle was, let's see, 80 something pips, I believe, 88. And our second, which also a no trade because it formed at the end of the week and has not broken yet, was 60. I would suggest that you leave this one just like last week and see how you go. You'll notice that I'm using different charts this week. Main reason for that is the other charting package that I used for recordings was down at the time. Now we'll move on to GU. And we had three master candles this week, and was one of them a trade and one of them questionable, but we'll talk about that in a moment. The first one here, this one formed on this candle here, and it was 44 pips big. Now this one required a little bit of manual stop, mainly because of this support and resistance zone here. I'll just draw that on the chart for us. So this kind, I'll draw that again. This kind of zone here was something that we were looking for a bounce off. So we would have been waiting for a stop around here or even here. If it gave momentum, this bar continued down, we would have pulled out. But we just waited to see what happened here, and we got our win, which was to this. And you could have targeted a little bit further, a bit higher, but that was a 1-to-1, which was good for this week. I'll just measure that. We would have got in about there. So about 50 pips. We'll put that down because it's close enough. And the second one was no trade because of the break. There was no break on B1, B2, or B3 candle. And the last trade is no trade because of support and resistance, but I did want to say if most people took this long compared to just leaving it, I will mark it as a loss for the system. But yeah, let me know, comment on the blog or send me a personal message and we'll mark this as a loss. But this was not a trade, and the reason for that is because price did move down, as you can see, and formed a little box here. Now, when price broke through, it did break the low, or this low I should say, with this part here. So a push up entering into this top of this last little swing point was very risky. It would have been nicer to have the master candle form here and us breaking through it for a continuation up. So this was a no trade, and I hope it explains why. It's just it wasn't a nice position to take along. But if most people did, let me know and we'll mark it as a loss, but we'll keep it as a nothing, as a no trade for now. So just one for this week, and from GU, which is good to see. It was 50 pips. I hope you all had a great week.